So let's continue with the two-pointer and sliding window playlist from the previous A to Z DSA course. But if we're starting off, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So the problem that we will be solving today is count the number of nice subarrays. So what is the problem stating? It's stating that you'll be given a nums array. It can contain any possible integer. You'll be given a value k, right? Now your task is to count the number of subarrays. Now what is a subarray? A contiguous portion of the array. You'll have to count the number of subarrays where the count of odd integers is exactly equivalent to the given integer k. Let me explain you. If I pick up this contiguous portion of the array, the number of odd numbers in it is 2, right? And the number of even is 1. So this subarray cannot be counted as a nice subarray. Which one can be a nice subarray? If I pick up this portion, this can be a nice subarray because I have 3 odd numbers which is 1, 1, 1 and I have 1 even number which is 2. So this can be a possible nice subarray. So that's 1. I can also pick up this one and this is also a nice subarray because I have 3 odd numbers and that is what is the value of k. So this is the problem statement. So overall for this particular example, I can see that there are 2 nice subarrays and that is what you will have to return. Got it? Now before getting into the solution, there is a small prerequisite. Please pause this video and go back and watch my video on binary subarrays with sum. Please go back and watch it. Now, in that particular problem statement, we were given an array. The array had 1 and 0 in it. It was a binary array. You're given a value goal and the problem was stating you'll have to count the number of subarrays where the sum is equivalent to the goal. I'll try to convert this particular problem into that problem. Let's understand how. What if I say, hey, listen, I'll consider all the odd numbers as 1 and all the even numbers as 0. If I consider this, can I say this one is an odd number? I can write it as 1. This one is an odd number. This could have been 5 as well. I don't care. If it's an odd number, I just write it as 1, right? This 2 is an even number, I can write it as 0. This one is an odd number, I can write it as 1. This one is again an odd number, I can write it as 1. And k is 3. Can I say, I'm counting the number of subarrays where the sum is equivalent to k. Can I say this? Isn't it? Because if I pick up this particular subarray, I know this is odd, this is odd, this is odd. And the sum will be 3, which is equivalent to k. So this problem is nothing but similar to the previous problem. Yes, it is the exact same problem. What the problem setter has done is he has just twisted a bit of words here and there. So it's very important that you identify such problems, right? So what you can do is you can pick up the same solution. Yes, you can pick up the same solution. And the only changes that you'll have to do is, okay, we're adding sum plus nums are. Instead of that, if it's an odd number, you can straight away do a modulo 2 because on modulo 2, if it's an odd number, it will give you a 1. If it's an even, it will give you a 0. Same over here, when you're subtracting, again do a modulo 2. If it's an odd number, you'll subtract 1. If it's an even number, you'll subtract 0. So the problem is exactly similar. Copy paste this particular solution and use this formula. It will be running absolutely fine. So I hope you understood how to identify patterns in problem. It is very, very important. The problem setter or the interviewer might twist some of the known problems. It's important that you are able to recognize these set of problems. I hope you've understood it. So if you're still now watching and if you've understood this one, please do consider giving us a like. And if you're new to our channel, do consider subscribing to us as well. With this, I'll be wrapping up this video. Let's finish some of the video. Till then, take care.
Whenever your heart is broken.